Digital Comeback Blueprint Video Series Part 2. My name is Jason. I'm back. Welcome. All right, so let's dive right into the back office of the daily income method, and I'm going to show you what's on the inside. Before you even decide to pull out your credit card and buy this, you get the sneak peek. If you're new to this channel, feel free to hit subscribe, click the bell for notifications so you can be notified when I drop more videos like this one right here. And at every given time, there's going to be a link below this video in the comment section. Click it if you decide to partner with me in the daily income method. Let's dive right into it. So I'm going to log in here and sign in. All right, so this is how the back office looks. This is your dashboard area. Pretty cool, right? So you got your profile here, you got Mac here. It's going to show you how to set up your system. So you want to click on set up your system. You're going to have a welcome agreement. You're going to have where you can select your username. You're going to have where you can create your profile. On your profile, it's your name, it's your email, it's a picture of yourself, a little about me section, and all your social networking sites. You can save them here. And once you save those, you can scroll down to your personal income streams. If you have more than one income stream and you want to add it here, you can add two income streams here. And when someone joins you in daily income method, they're going to be presented with your two income streams so you can make even more moolah. Pretty cool, right? Pretty dope. I like that. Hit save and continue to step 4. All right. This is where you set up your payments. So this is peer-to-peer payments, meaning that we pay one another whenever we get enrolled. Like me, I paid Sam the $200, and if somebody enrolls under me, they can pay me the $200 by Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Cash, Chime, Wise, Crypto, or other. What I like about Stripe is the following. So Stripe has the option where you can do buy now, pay later, which I love to do when money is tight. And a lot of people don't have the money up front. So, but I'm thinking to myself, 12 payments of 17.96 monthly, that's affordable. 6 payments of $34.71 monthly is affordable. It kind of cuts that $200. Do I really want to fork over $200 right now? Do I really want to fork over $297 right now? It kind of gives you some leverage where you can keep some money in your pocket and you're not really strapped for cash. So 4 payments of $50 every 2 weeks, 3 payments of $68.23 monthly if you decide to go for the 3 payments. I don't know what your situation is, but I just wanted to throw that out there for those of you that are looking for a a payment plan. All right, so I'm gonna close this up. And then after you do that, you just hit save payment method, save and continue, and pretty much you're done there. Now we're on the lead capture page setup. A lead capture page is something that you capture a person's email address, and I'll show you how it looks right now. So I'm going to put in www.jasoncartier.com. Here's my lead capture page, and it's housed on the Home Business Academy Funnel Builder, which is separate from the daily income method, and it's $25 per month. And whenever somebody comes through the daily income method and signs up through you, you not only collect the $200 commission, and if you have multiple income streams, you collect commission there. And once they say, you know what, I want a lead capture page too, you collect $20 each and every month that they decide to keep their funnel builder. How cool is that? So drop in the comments right now if you think that's cool. If you think adding an extra 100, $200, $300 a month to your portfolio is cool and residual income, something that you can say, you know what, I got an extra 300 coming this month. It's pretty cool. Drop me a 100 in the chat below. So this here is how you connect your Home Business Academy lead capture page. Everything has a video. It walks you through step by step. All you got to do is just play the video, follow it, and do the steps as you're watching it. All right, hit pause, come back, hit hit play, hit pause, come back after you do the work. All right. So here's how you access it down here. You're going to have access to this too. So this is the HBA funnel builder. So let's go to your affiliate links. So these are your affiliate links. You can use these to send people to one of these landing pages. These landing pages right here are sweet. They're pretty dope. They're interactive. You can tap them. You know what I'm saying? And then making that cha-ching noise. And then you hit start earning today, takes you to the sales page, you can watch it, and then that's how people get involved. So part of marketing is having different landing pages, and you can send people to these landing pages through your lead capture page. Because when you capture an email address, then you have what's called an autoresponder. It sends out messages to your prospects over and over and over again on autopilot. That's how many people are creating income in their sleep because of automations. So I've been involved with this internet market affiliate market industry since 2003. It took me all the way to 2012 to make my first down online, and I got introduced to automations, and it really changed the game for me. So these are your landing pages here. We have several of them. And this is my favorite one right here. Boop. All right. So I like this one because it has the social proof. It has video testimonials. People love testimonials. They love to buy the results of other people, or should I say, they love to buy transformations because they can see themselves having this same type of month, $14,400 in just over a month. They can picture that in their head. So I like this page a lot because it gives people uh, inside view of success. I like it. All right, so buy traffic. This is another way for you can speed up the process of building your email list and building a relationship with them, building that know, like, and trust with them. So it's optional, of course, but I recommend it because it's free to become an affiliate for it. If somebody comes to your system and they sign up and they say, you know what, I want to order some traffic. So if you're new and you don't know what I mean by that, just picture this. Picture me having 1,000 people on my email list. And you say, you know what, Jason, I want you to send my link to those 1,000 people. Then I say, all right, you know what? I'll send that out to them for $40. You pay me $40, then I send your link out to them. That's how you purchase traffic. Right? And you get so many amount of clicks from my list and people join your email list. And in return, you get to build a relationship with them in a nutshell. So if someone pays any type of money and joins through your link, you get a 15% commission from all orders. If you get 100 referrals who spend 1,000 a month, you'll receive 15,000 a month. Okay, and there's no guarantees here. That's just hypothetical, right? Video follow-ups. I didn't get this one right here. It's called Tap Flick account. I didn't get that one right there myself. And it's pretty much just like a call to action where you can record a video and you can send that link to somebody. I didn't really see the purpose of getting this because you can easily pick up your phone, record a video, and send it out. So here are the resources where you can send out emails, copy and paste emails here. This is the subject line. This is the body. Here go the recommended tools. So these are the tools section right here. So you can schedule your posts. I feel like this is a good one to have. I may go ahead and get this post planner myself because when I show you guys how to go create one video and post it to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter, this post planner will do it on automation for you. That's what I like. So Check out pages, referrals. Mac explains this section to you. Your commissions. I don't have any commissions, but this is where they will populate at. This is the leaderboard right here. Mac Mills, Mr. X. And just a quick FYI, people get on the leaderboard because of one reason only. Not because they just super duper smart. It's because they have huge email lists, huge followings, and they've been in the industry for a long time. And they have a positive track record. People know, like, and trust them. So when they send out an email, people jump in. 565 referrals. So at the end of the day, it's possible. In the next video, I'm going to show you the products that you get with the daily income method.